Hi everybody, this is Matt from This Old Pilot, and have the Titan Tornado apart and been doing some things to it. Let me show you what we got going on here. So this is what the Titan Tornado looks like when the nose cone is disassembled. We're putting in a new radio today, and the radio is going to be a Trig 91. And if you'd ever seen the inside of this before, now it is far less complicated because we've eliminated a lot of things that did not need to be here. And so we have replaced instruments with a UAvionics AV30, and at some point in time I'd like to have another one right down here, but the new Trig is going in here. We did some work on the jacks, removed some junk that just quite frankly didn't need to be there in the first place, and cleaning up a lot of messy wiring. So that's what we've been doing for the better part of the day. And you can kind of see the detritus right down there on the floor. So it's been a busy day. It's getting close to 5 o'clock at night. About time for me to head home. It's a good thing I had some vacation time going. But, you know, that's what's going on in the hangar with This Old Pilot. And until next time, everybody be safe out there and go out and fly. We'll see you.